डियर एस्पेरेंट अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ई सीरीज़ प्रिपरेशन में हम आपको खुश आमदीद कहते हैं। डियर एस्पेरेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे लेक्चरर कंप्यूटर साइंस के पास पेपर के बारे में। सॉल्व पेपर नंबर 1 है, जिसका क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे बताया जा रहा है। द एग्जामिनेशन एंड चेंजिंग ऑफ सिंगल बिट और स्मॉल ग्रुप ऑफ हिज विद इन ए वर्ड इज़ कॉल्ड बिट मैनिपुलेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, which computer has been designed to be as a compact as possible? Microcomputer. Question 3, which method is used to connect a remote computer? Dial-up. Question 4, how many bit code is used by Mary code for teleprinter machine? 5. Question 5, the symbol used in an assembly language are numerics. Question 6, which of the following identifies a specific web page and its computer on the web is domain name? Question 7, which language was devised by Dr. Seymour Carey? Logo. Question 8, a program that converts computer data into some code system other than normal one is known as encoder. Question 9, a device designed to read information encoded into a small plastic card is called Babbage reader. Question 10, magnetic tape can serve as input media, output media, secondary storage media. All above are correct. Question 11, the second complement of a binary number is obtained by adding fill in the blanks to its first complement. 1. Question 12, a system program language for a microcomputer in Intel family is PLM/M. Question 13, a datum that indicates some important state in the content of output or of input or output is Sentinel. Question 14, which is non-standard version of a computer language? Army. Question 15, which of the following is still useful for adding number? Asbestos. Question 16, the average time necessary for correct sector of a disk to arrive at the read-write head is rational delay. Question 17, a number that is used to control the form of another number is known as mask. Question 18, a general purpose single user microcomputer designed to be operated by one person at a time is known as PC. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Question 20, which type of system put the user into direct conversation with the computer through a keyboard? Correct answer is interactive computer. Question 21, the term referring to evacuating the content of some part of the machine is known as dump. Correct answer is A. Question number 22, a single packet on a data link is known as frame. Correct answer is B. Question number 23, the process of communicating with a file from a terminal is interrogation. Correct answer is B. Question number 24, a common boundary between the two systems is called interface. Correct answer is B. Question 25, which device of computer operation displays with the use of the keyboard? Correct answer is C, which is mouse. Question number 26, The microcomputer Intel MCS80 is based on the widely used Intel 8080 microprocessor. Correct answer is A. Question number 27. Which is the machine oriented high level language for GEC 4080 series machine is Babbage? Correct answer is C. Question 28. A program that is employed in the development, repair or enhancement of other program is known as software tool. Correct answer is B. Question number 29. Any storage devices added to a computer beyond the immediately usable main storage is known as backing store. Correct answer is C. Which output device is used for translating information from a computer into pictorial form on a paper is known as plotter? Correct answer is B. Question number 31. The list of coded instructions is called computer program. Correct answer is A. Question number 32. A technique used by codes to convert analog signal into digital bit is known as pulse code modulation. Correct answer is A. Question 33. An optical input device that interrupts pencil mark on the paper media is optical mark recognition. Correct answer is A, which is O.M.R. Question 34. The most important advantages of AC is extremely high reliability. Question number 35. A storage system for small amount of data is magnetic card. Correct answer is A. Question 36. Which is another name for functional language? Application language. Question number 37. Compiler and interpreter are themselves. Correct answer is C, which is program. Question number 38. A compiler means a program which translate a source program into object program. Question 39. A pen-shaped device which can sense light and use to point at spot on a video screen is light pin. Correct answer is B. Question 40. A group of magnetic tape videos are terminal usually under the control of the one master is cluster. Correct answer is B. Question 41. Any device that performs signal conversion is called modulator. Correct answer is A. Question number 42. Codes consisting of light and dark marks which may be optically read is known as barcode. Question 43. A typical channel used to connect a central processor and peripheral which uses multiplexing is known as a multiplexer. Question 44. The first generation computer available was based on the bit microprocessor is 8. Correct answer is B. Question number 45. The complete picture of data stored in database is known as schema. Correct answer is B. Question 46. Which of the following is intended to be used in all applications run on mainframe computer is logo. Correct answer is A. Question 47. A language which is close to that used within a computer is known as low level language. Question 48. Which unit representing the no bits of discrete? Correct answer is A, which is baud. Question 49. The device that can both feed data into and accept data from a computer is known as input-output device. Question 50. The personnel who deals with the computer and its management put together are known as humanware. Question 51. A modern digital computer has external highly speed, large memory, almost ultimated array. The correct answer is D. Question 52. Which of the following can store information in form of microscope pits on metal disk? Correct answer is A, which is laser discs. Question 53. A device for converting handwritten impression into coded characters and positional coordinate for input to a computer is known as writing tablet. Question 54. A notation used to express clearly on algorithm is known as algorithmic language. Question 54. Compression of digital data for efficient storage is packing. Correct answer is C. Question 56. An operating system intended for use on microprocessor based systems that support a single user is CP/M. Question 57. Which programming language is based on Algo60? Correct answer is D, which is Simola. Question 58. Which is considered father of the microcomputer and one of the father of modern computer industry worldwide? Correct answer is B, which is Kenneth H. Olson. Question 59. The first microprocessor produced by Intel Corporation and Texas Instruments were used primarily to control small calculators. Question 60. Which printer uses combination of laser beam and electrophotographic techniques? Laser printer. Correct answer is A, which is laser printer. Question 61. A billionth of a second defined as nanosecond. Correct answer is C. Question 62. Which of the following is not currently a topic in computer science? Thermodynamic. Correct answer is thermodynamics. Question 63. Computer memory consists of RAM, ROM, PROM, all of above. Correct answer is D. Question 64. A path by which communication is achieved between a central processor and other devices is called audit trail. Correct answer is A. Question 65. A standard alone system which produces one page of printed output at a time is known as page printer. Question 66. A memory that does not change its content without external causes is known as static memory. Question 67. The report card and merit list form is called output data. Question 68. A number which is stored and proceed but not in the standard exponential form is known as fixed point number. Question 69. A memory that holds microprogram is known as ROM, read only memory. Question 70. A device invented by Dr. Bobic in 1966 for mass storage of data is known as magnetic bubble storage. Question 71. The organization and interconnection of the various components of a computer system is known as architecture. Question 72. Which of the following is the coding of data so that it cannot be easily understood if intercepted? Correct answer is C, which is encryption. Question 73. RAM is used as a short memory because it is volatile. RAM stands for random access memory. Question 74. Software such as Explorer and Firefox are referred to a browser. Question 75. Which is a device that changes information into digital form are called digitizer. Question 76. What type of telecommunications hardware allow you to access the web? Modem. Question 77. Which network is packet switching network? Star network. Question 78. Symbolic languages were developed in 1950. Question 79. Compared to discrete, the hard disks are more expensive. Question 80. What is the name given to the molecular scale computer? Correct answer is B, which is nanocomputer. Question 81. Who bought Bitcoin cryptocurrency for 1.5 billion worth? Correct answer is A, which is Tesla. Question 82. Fill in the blanks has become the first US state of the proclaimed February 5 as a Kashmir American Day after adopting the resolution on 3 February. New York. Correct answer is C. Question 83. The World Health Organization has acknowledged fill in the blanks among the healthiest cities. Nida, Jeddah, Holy City of Mecca, Holy City of Medina. The correct answer is Holy City of Medina is the healthiest city of the world. Question 84. Israel opened first embassy in United Arab Emirates on 24 January 2021. Question 85. The other civilization flourished at Harappa and other sites earlier as 2500 BC. Alexander the Great arrival in Texla in 326 BC. In which year Muhammad bin Qasim attacked Sindh? 712. Electric current is measured by ampere. Question 89. Light year is measurement of stellar distance. Light year is the measurement of. Dear aspirant, please check the correct answer. I think B answer is correct. Is speed of light. Question 19. There are fill in the blanks around the sun. 8. There are 8 planets around the sun. Question 91. Kilowatt is the unit to measure power. Which of the following is a protein? Which of the following is a protein? Natural rubber. Question 93. When was the last time Pakistan hockey team won a gold medal at Olympic game? The correct answer is 1984, Los Angeles. Question 94. Sorry, 96, 94, 95, sorry. 94. Who is the Pakistani Minister Planning and Development? Ahsan Iqbal. Question 95. 888 divided by 0.8 is equal to 8880. Question 96. The full name of processor is Central Processing Unit, shortest from CPU. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. Kilobyte mean 1024 1024 bytes. 1024 bytes. Question 99. The first computer that stored program as well as data was EDVAC. Question 100. Who country win 2020 World Cup 2021? ऑस्ट्रेलिया. डियर स्टूडेंट, अगर मेरी वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और उन दोस्तों को ज़रूर शेयर करें जिनको इनकी ज़रूरत है. डियर एस्पिरेंट, मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ बहुत जल्द. अल्लाह हाफिज़.